Hi, and welcome to the product demo of the live dictation product created by Shubu.ai. So, first of all, it's amazing to have you on board. So, now let's get started with actually using the product and let's see how the doctor's journey is. So, the first thing is I can either create an account in the sign up page or I can log in using my existing credentials. So, let me log in. So now once I log in, Shubhu aims at reducing the workload which the doctors face in the process of documentation by providing voice to text solutions. So we do that on a multiple fronts. The first one being discharge summaries. So let's get started by creating a discharge summary. So you can click on new summary, and over here we have basically segregated the discharge summary into various sections, and everything on this website is voice enabled. So let's see how will we dictate a discharge summary. Type 2 diabetes mellitus, hypertension, probable diabetic nephropathy, chronic kidney disease stage 5, maintenance hemodialysis, retroviral infection. Procedure: right internal jugular vein catheter insertion. Allergy: none declared. Summary: this gentleman is a known diabetic and hypertensive for over 20 years. Full stop. He is on insulin for over the past 4 years. His glycemic control has been suboptimal, comma. He has retroviral infection and he is on capital start antiretroviral therapy, capital stop. So now let's say while dictating, a couple of words have been wrongly transcribed, which is very rare with Shubu real-time voice-to-text engines, because we aim at providing very high accuracy and a very localized transcription service. For example, our transcriptions are catered toward various accents which the user can speak. So basically, if some words have not been recognized correctly, you can just use the delete voice command. Delete 3 is on antiretroviral therapy. Full stop. Next line. He was detected to have proteinuria and renal dysfunction in 2014. He was initially evaluated and found out that he was advised a renal biopsy as there was no diabetic retinopathy at that time. There was also a suspicion of retroviral illness related kidney disease. Full stop. Diagnosis: new line, chronic kidney disease. Delete 6, comma, chronic kidney disease. So that is how it is seamless using the Shubu real-time voice recognition product. So what you can do is, let's say if you want to make some live edits, you can just click using your mouse and it's as easy as just start typing. So that's how easy it is. And if you have noticed, we started creating a discharge summary. We dictated the diagnosis, procedure, allergy, summary sections. And on the right side, we can see a live preview of the discharge summary being generated in real time. So the feature of seeing the live preview on the right side in the actual format of your hospital is very helpful because it helps you understand how the end discharge summary might look. So yeah, that's pretty much it about the live dictation. We have a lot of other things like voice commands for bold, italics, underline. We have other voice commands where you can add some words to the dictionary, where let's say a particular word is not recognized from your accent, you can add it to the dictionary and you can always view the dictionary by going to the dictionary section. Then we also have the ICD-10 medical coding, which is a very important feature because we are aiming at helping doctors go digital, in which ICD-10 medical coding is also a very important step. So that's mainly it about the Shubhu real-time voice recognition product. Feel free to reach out to us if you would like to schedule a demo and get in touch with us. Thank you for your time.